Welcome back to Rachel's Cakes and Bakes. In this recipe, we'll show you how to make a delicious and decadent milk chocolate mousse that's perfect for any occasion. This dessert is easy to make and requires only a few simple ingredients. With a light and airy texture and rich chocolate flavor, this mousse is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth and impress your guests. Let's get started. Ingredients: 200 grams milk chocolate, chopped. 3 eggs, separated. 1/4 cup sugar. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. Instructions: place the chopped milk chocolate in a heat-proof bowl and melt it using a double boiler or microwave. If using a double boiler, heat the chocolate over a pot of simmering water until melted, stirring occasionally. If using a microwave, heat the chocolate in 20-second intervals, stirring in between until melted. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks until they are light and fluffy. Gradually add the sugar to the egg yolks, whisking constantly until well combined. Combine chocolate and egg mixture. Slowly pour the melted chocolate into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to combine. Whip the cream in a large bowl. Whip the heavy cream, vanilla extract, and salt together until stiff peaks form. Using a spatula, gently fold the egg chocolate mixture into the whipped cream until well combined. In a clean bowl, beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the egg whites into the chocolate mixture until well combined. Chill the chocolate mousse in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or until set. Serve and enjoy. You can serve the chocolate mousse topped with whipped cream and chocolate shavings if desired. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe and get notified.